Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see some of more creative thinking in Canva and how you can come up with different ideas in Canva. So let's get started. This is the part of the complete training series. So if you don't understand this video, just check out the complete playlist from the description and start the training from lecture 1. All right, let's get started. Now in this lesson, we are going to learn the more creative ways outside the Canva or through the help of other third-party apps to achieve the same result that Canva does. For example, in this video, we have created something, but we have used a technique for it. We have inserted different alphabets separately and then fit the video through that so that it looks like it is playing within this text, right? So we can achieve the same result by using the help of some external third-party apps. Maybe the time you're spending on achieving the same result with Canva is not just worth it. So in that cases, you might think out of the box, think creatively, and you might come up with some other solution as well. For example, let's see a same idea. I'll add a new page and click on blank background. Let's say if I write here, get creative, and just make a copy of it. Get creative, and I write here colors. I'll make it bold and little white like this. Okay, now if we see the number of letters involved in colors text and you wanna play a video through it, it might take a lot of time for you to achieve the result with Canva. So what you can do is you can be a little creative. I'll click on add page and I'll take the help of a third-party app. So I'll just move the colors here and just share and download that as a PNG file. So let's download this and I'll save that in downloads. So what you can use is I'll go to Google and write online PNG tools here. And this is a simple website, online PNG tools. I'll make a PNG transparent. I'll use this tool. And let's import a file, which I have right here in the downloads. Now it was downloaded as a zip file. Okay, we need to extract this first because it downloaded all the images here. I didn't select the option of single one. So now let's choose our image, and this one is our image, that is colors. Now what I want to make transparent is not the white but black. So let's write black here and we'll show transparent image like this. And percentage, you can try different percentages to achieve a smooth result. For example, let me just write here 10%. But in this case, I can push it to 90% because I totally want to get rid of the black color here. And now let's save this file as and download and click on download here. Since it is a free plan, it will have some wait time. So that's okay. And now instead of this one, I'll use now a different one. I'll go to uploads and click on this image and I'll upload that. The transparent image. So if we move it here, you cannot really see anything, but if we change the background to black, you will see, okay, this is showing the image. So what I want to do now is I'll go to, let's say, videos, or let's say elements. I'll go to elements and write colors here, and I'll search a relevant video, like for example this one, and I'll move it in the background and just sort of resize it. I'll actually detach the video from the background and set it in the exact proportion where I can see it in colors. And now I'll right click and send backwards. Now you will know what I was trying to make here. If I zoom it here, now let's play it. And now you can see how the colors are playing within the transparent letters. So the similar thing can be achieved by being creative. Similarly, let's change and try something more colorful so that you can see the actual effect of it. For example, this one. I'll zoom it out, adjust the video. And then you can send it to backward. And now it will show something like this. So this is how you can be creative and achieve the same results by trying out the different tools outside the Canva. So it's just about how you think and how you can plan your work efficiently. So try it by yourself and be more creative, apply some other ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.